6, Module 6, Lesson 11. You need to decide which of 2 brands of chocolate chip cookies to buy. You really love chocolate chip cookies. The number of chocolate chips in each of 5 cookies from each brand are as follows. You see the table there, the chart. Draw a dot plot for each set of data that shows the distribution of the number of chips for that brand. Use the same scale for both on your dot plot. That's the main thing. You've got to use the same scales when you're comparing. It makes it so much easier. All right, let's do it. Let's draw our little line here. That's a little dot plot. Let's call this chalk full. And let's use, well, this is easy. Let's do 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let's do this. Let's erase that. Get it together, Mr. Anderson. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And this is chalk full. Get it? Full of chocolate, right? And then we're going to do the same thing over here. Same scales. Let's go with 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And this is all chocolate, or all chalk. Now, chalk full has one at 17, one at 19, and 3 at 18. That's a little bit harder to see there. All chalk has, whoa, we got to go expand it on out. Because we got a 21 and a 22 and a 15 and a 14. But have we used the same scale? No, so we're going to have to 21, 22, this would be 14, this would be 15. Now, all chalk has one at 22, one at 15, one at 14, one at 21, and one at 18. Now, B says, what, did we finish that one? All it wanted us to do was draw it, right? Okay. B says, find the mean number of chocolate chips for each of the 2 brands. Well, I can know by how these are plotted here that 18 is going to be the mean for both of them. But how do we find the mean? The sum divided by the total. Okay, the total number. Now, C, looking at your dot plots and considering the variability, which brand do you prefer? And explain your reasoning. Hannah, which brand would you prefer? And why? Which brand? Which brand of chocolate chip cookies would you, based on this data, would you buy and why? No wrong answer here, as long as you explain yourself to me. Would you buy chalk full or all chalk? Why would you buy chalk full? Say it again. You changed your mind to all chalk? Why? You just liked it? You like the name better? Chloe, give me a reason for which one would you pick? Does anybody know why you would pick one or the other on this? Why? They have a lower range? Okay. What does that matter to you? What does that mean? Chloe? No.
You know what to expect.
Consistent. Yeah. She says that with less spread, they're more consistent. You know what to expect. I know I'm getting really close to 18 chips in this cookie. It may be 17, it may be 19, but it's going to be really close to 18 cookies. So what we would say chock full is consistent. Okay? Now, what if somebody said all chalk? Hannah said, I'm going to change mine to all chalk. Now, why? Yeah, you could get more chocolate in these, right? You could have up to 22 chips in yours. So you would say it's possible to have a greater number of chips. It's possible, but you could also have less, right? And that's the reason why you have to decide, do I want to take the risk on getting less, or do I want to know that I'm going to get 18, or do I want to take the chance on getting the 21, 22? Okay? There's no wrong answer as long as you can defend your answer as to which one you pick. And